Nick, NMP, has revealed that his divorce battle with MALENA may not be over just yet after announcing that she's filed a motion for new trial, despite him believing the case had finally come to an end. The update surprised many viewers, especially after Nick recently suggested the court had already reached the correct decision and that he was ready to move on with his life. Following Nick's post, the community largely rallied behind him, with many expressing frustration that the legal dispute appears to be continuing. Some viewers said they felt sorry for Nick, arguing that after such a long and expensive court process, both sides should be able to move on. Others referenced the amount Nick has previously said he's spent on legal fees, questioning why another trial would be necessary if the case had already been decided. Tectone was among the creators who publicly defended Nick, claiming it was another example of someone trying to use the legal system to disrupt a person's life after they've already moved on. His comments sparked plenty of discussion of their own. Other supporters echoed similar sentiments, saying they hope the motion is denied so the case can finally come to an end. Some also encouraged Nick to stay positive, with Nick replying to one supporter by saying, "It sucks, but it is what it is. We will endure." However, not everyone jumped to conclusions. Some users pointed out that filing a motion for new trial is a legal process available in many civil cases and doesn't automatically mean the previous ruling will be overturned. Others argued that without knowing the specific legal arguments being presented, it's difficult to judge whether the motion has merit. For now, the original ruling remains in place while the court considers the new filing, meaning the legal battle between Nick and MALENA may not be over just yet.
Today I was notified that a motion for a new trial has been filed in my divorce case by MALENA. I believe the court reached the correct decision. She does not. I hope everything was finally over. It turns out now everyone is ready to move on. Gang.
Just days after going viral for nearly getting into a car accident while reading Twitch chat behind the wheel, ExtraEmily has now officially been banned from Twitch. The incident quickly spread across social media after viewers watched Emily glance away from the road while interacting with chat, leading to a close call that reignited criticism over streamers broadcasting while driving. Emily later acknowledged the mistake and apologized, saying the incident was her fault. After news of the ban broke, a large portion of the community said the punishment was deserved, with many arguing Twitch needed to send a stronger message against distracted driving. Others echoed Asmongold's opinion, saying live streaming while driving shouldn't be allowed at all because even a brief glance at chat can put other people on the road at risk. At the same time, plenty of users were skeptical about how long the suspension would actually last. One viral post joked, "A week max before she gets unbanned," while others shared memes suggesting Twitch bans rarely last long for major creators. Another popular comment said, "Twitch's reputation has reached the point where every time a creator gets banned, the first response is, 'Give it a week and they'll be back,' with many agreeing that prediction usually ends up being correct."